Hey there, in this video I'm going to teach you how to manage your form. In the last video I taught you how to create a form, and that's a great first step, but in this video I'm going to teach you how to make it do something. Okay, in this case I think the first thing you need to learn about is the settings portion of the form management. So if I hit this button, it brings up a dialog. Cool. And the first option you'll see is requires payment. Basically, this is only applicable for the people, or I guess organizations, that are gonna sell their documents. In this case, if you did intend on your document being for sale, then you would check this box and you would specify your price or your cost here. $10. Hold for review. Basically, hold for review allows your end user to go through the entire process, but instead of immediately releasing the final product to them, as is the default behavior, it actually holds the documents from release and sends you a notification saying that you have documents to review. And from that point on, you can review the documents and release them, etc. And the second part is payment method. Again, this is only applicable if you have this option checked. And this pulls from the payment gateway section of the management. And this is the e-signature portion, and this is an optional, it's a paid option, and this allows your end users to electronically sign their documents. And this is something that you need to contact us about if it's something that you decide you want to use in your documents. So, okay. Also, two other important pieces here is the attachment of the documents and the code embedding. Attachment of the documents, the best way to explain that is every single document, or form, I guess, every single form has at least one or more documents, and these documents represent the final product. So in this case, if you were doing a divorce, uncontested divorce, there might be 3 or 4 different pieces that you need to complete as part of the entire process. So what you would do is you would actually create your form that takes in all that information you need to do all the pieces that are attached to it, and once the form's done, you would actually go to attach, and it brings up a dialog box. In this case, I don't have any documents imported, but what this would display is a list of all your documents, and you would find the ones that you need to attach, and you would just attach it to the document. And what that does is, the second somebody completes this entire process, what they would get is they would get a completed version of all the attached documents, and those would all show up in their control panel. And also, you can also view the attached documents by clicking the link here that's attached to the number, and it'll show you all the documents that are currently attached. And if there was a document attached, then right here along the side there would be a button to delete that document. And embed code this is pretty cool. This actually is how you would display it in your site. So the implementation of the entire process into your website is just copy and pasting one line of code into your website. So literally you can build an entire document generation website pretty quickly, and that pretty much covers it. Thanks.